Are you struggling to make your dream of owning a house a reality because you can't afford it? But don't worry, there are steps that you can take to make your home more affordable. 1. Start by taking a hard look at your budget and cutting unnecessary expenses. 2. Consider purchasing a fixer-upper or a smaller property that needs some work and gradually renovate and upgrade over time. Another option is to explore government-backed home loan programs that offer low down payment options and favorable interest rates. So don't let high cost keep you from achieving your dream of home ownership. Take action today by exploring these affordable options and start building your future. Contact us today to learn more about finding your affordable dream home. And if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to us. And also, if you want to learn how to analyze properties and buy your first rental, give me a follow. And join my live on TikTok on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at between 1 to 2 p.m. Central Time. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.